Once again, you come to the desktop application, you hit screen capture. You see this little dotted lines here. That is the area that you're going to capture. You can drag to highlight. You can adjust this here. Check your microphone settings, check your camera settings. If you want to turn off your camera, you can hit this. You can drag this around. You can see the different settings there. If you have a green screen, you can enable this. If you don't have a green screen, you can still remove the camera background and you can select your own custom background. And let's go ahead and hit start. Here you have the same options as in regular camera recording: finish, pause, cancel, restart, and this is different. You have annotation. Now let's go to annotation, make sure we have red selected. And I want to tell you where you can go here to download the applications. And you're gonna go out of the annotations, hit download, and you can see you'll come up here and it'll ask you to download the applications for your specific. This is the Mac app, which it recognizes because I am on a Macintosh. And we do have it where it works for the M1 chips, the Mac Silicon chips, and the Intel-based Macs. I am actually on an Intel-based Macs. You can go to your respective app stores to download for iOS or Android. And that's it in a nutshell. Once you're done, much like the camera recording, you can hit stop, and that is how you screen capture.